today's video is gonna be based on a big bang bang. Hi, what's good, YouTubers? It's your boy Paul Hawkins. You all can call me Hawkins 2 times. So today is the day that I'm gonna bring you a part 2 of the eating competition. You all know how the last video really went. Nobody won. It was a very tough competition. So today I promise you that I'm gonna give you the part 2 of the eating competition. But today's video is gonna be based on a big bang bang. So one thing I want from you guys is 200 subscribers. I want you all to help me reach 200 subscribers by sharing, liking, and also leaving a comment at the comment section below. You all to show me a massive love, and I promise to bring you a massive hit content every day. It's your boy Paul Hawkins. You all call me Hawkins 2 times. I love you all. Watch this video. Let's get it! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Hawkins the 2 times, and today I'm here with my brother called
Nawade, bro.
So today is another special day that we're gonna deliver the eating competition part. Today is all about make bang bang.
Bang.
And today we got a whole lot of muscle food here. We got pizza here, we got 2 make bang bang, we got Fanta, we got pommes, we got everything that we're supposed to have today. You sure you're gonna read today?
Trust me, bro.
So how was the first video? How did it go?
You know, as I was saying the other day, I won.
How you didn't read, my brother?
But we decided that the viewers should take their decision.
And by the comment section below, Paul Hawkins won the comment.
Everyone was saying like we should do the second part of it.
Are you serious about that?
So yeah.
Okay, so today we're gonna prove each and everybody wrong. Are you down for today's video?
I'm down for it.
So what do you have to tell your supporters? Are you sure you're gonna read today's video?
You know, I don't need to talk much.
Yeah, we have just 10 minutes to finish every food that we have here. So the first person to finish this food with 1,000 euros cash prize.
Ooh, that's what I'm waiting for. I'm in for that.
So a time for action. 1, 2, 3, let's get it! Woo!
Oh my god.
I'm fucking full.
What the hell?
Winner!
Finish with the food.
Man, you are cool, you are not eating anymore. So why did I finish mine? You have given up. So,
So Kobe won the competition, and this is crazy. I felt so bad for myself because I wasn't able to compete with him as I wish. So bro, you did very well. Congratulations, bro.
Once again, man.
Congratulations,
Once
man.
again,
You did
bro.
well.
Thanks.
One important thing is to turn on your post notification button, so anytime I drop a video, you're gonna be the first person to watch. One major thing I want you all to do for me is to subscribe so we can have a 200 subscribers. Yeah.
Soapy.
Yes, and I promise to bring you all a massive content each and every weekend. I love you all and see you in the next video. Let's get it!
I be flipping, yeah. Pardon the pip, I wanna kinda, yeah. I don't do hate, I just wanna rape.